Throughout Ireland, children are being asked for images to be sent to them. Those being naked images are being asked to go on live feeds and do sexual acts. We are here today to, I suppose, give you some pointers on how to know if you are being targeted and you're a victim of online sexual exploitation. There are a number of warning signs that you can look out for. You may believe you're a victim of sexual exploitation. The warning signs are as follows. He might flatter you, or she might flatter you, tell you look gorgeous, tell you look beautiful. They also then might ask you to move to a private chat so that they can talk to you in secret and ask you not to tell anyone about this. They may talk to you about sex very early on in the conversation and makes it quite uncomfortable. This is a clear warning sign that this is not the right chat to be in. You also could be asked for naked pictures of yourself or asked to go on webcam. And they may say that their webcam is broken, but that's because they're not who they say they are. These are all warning signs you need to look out for when you're online. Protect yourself. If you have sent images or have done a video, don't worry. You're the victim here. You're not the offender. We want to find these people. So for that to be done, you need to find help, you need to get support. The first thing I would tell you to do is don't share any more images. Don't send any more videos. You are not going to be in any trouble whatsoever. Not with us, the Garda, not with your parents. We will find the offender if you help us. Look for the help. Go and talk to your trusted adult. In relation to the messages, don't delete anything. Just deactivate the account. Save the messages, take screenshots. This will help us find the person who's done this to you. Stop the communication. Don't talk to them anymore. Don't encourage them. Don't try to get any more information. We will do all what we need to do. What I would say is report it. Go to the Garda. We will help you. We will find this person who has done this to you.